Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to make stairs with white riser, and this is a guide step by step how to do it. So this white riser you can find in Home Depot or Lowe's. It's MDF panel 7¼ inch. It's exactly what we need for riser. So now let's go to do stairs. First of all, I have to pre-cut a riser. For this measurement I'm using stair jig. This is very nice tools. It's show all angles, wall angles. It's very hard to do it without these tools. And then when I mark with knife lines, two lines, I cut it with miter saw. So I have 10-inch DeWalt miter saw with laser. Very easy to install the degree and cut it. If a riser higher than step, I have to shave it. This riser, that's why I make marks, line, on the back side of the riser, and then cut it on the table saw. Now it's flat, and we can measure with stair jig thread. So same process. So before I measure how wide is thread, and I cut one board, make it smaller, exactly what it should be fit with nosing to that dimension what we have. Then I put stair jig on this thread and make marks with knife again. Why I am using knife? Because if we use a knife, it's exactly fit between the wall when you cut the nosing and thread. If you mark with pencil, line will bigger than needed 1/16, sometimes more. So if it's from both sides 1/16, it's gonna be 1/8, and thread and riser not fit. Now I am checking how thread and nosing fit to this place, and then I'm using construction glue. And first of all I put glue around the walls and top riser, you see, because when it's thread and nosing will glue it down, and dry glue will dry, no any noise you will hear it. So most of problems when it's thread and nosing makes squeaks between walls and top riser. With glue I also use nails. This is pin nails or pins, 23 gauges. When I nail it thread and nosing, it's almost not visible holes after these nails, because it's really small nails. So that's why I'm recommended to do it. Before I used 18 gauge, but after 18 gauge it's very big holes and need to put filler, and it's visible. Not customer not really like it. But we have to put nails to hold these threads and riser as well. If you don't use it, it will be problem. this is final picture how it looks like. I hope you like it because I like it too. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.